Man, this is Mr. Mandal, the gold hacker India. Let's boom this year. You can see achievement top 10 rating and you can view overall rating of users with the most awards and achievements for the trading activity. Okay, this is all time I select and you can see the ranking. Number 1 Andrew M, number 2 Sankar Ganesh Raji, number 3 Ing King H, number 4 Lingam H, number 5 Santeria Peel, number 6 Jula C, number 7 Sanghan P, number 8 Brace A, number 9 Bang M, and number 10 Destin A, and number 11 this is me, Mr. Mona Mandal. You can see the India King here in the 11th rank. Still now I am not under 10, but very soon I will break all the world record in the forex world. This is my challenge. Just keep patient, stay tuned. We will make big money, big money. Thank you so much.